Series is called Putting Out Fires. Why? Because in business, I feel like a firefighter. I'm always trying to put out fires when employees make mistakes and they don't know how to discuss or have conversations with certain clients. I'm putting out that fire. Employees tell something and something goes wrong. I'm putting out that fire. Oh God, here we go, Ron. One of our guys here. Ron, do me a favor.
Yes.
Alcee not there, right?
Who?
Alcee.
Let me see.
Yeah. Check if Alcee's there. That's Ron. He's one of long story short. He lives in the streets, and I've known him ever since I opened this business here on Passaic Street. I always give him some money, man, but I think I don't have anything on.
Nada más?
Sí, nada más. Tenga el teléfono.
Give it.
Give it to him, Ron.
Thank you. What's up with you?
I'm recording.
Yeah.
I'm recording, Ron.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, thank you.
You see what happens when you look at yourself? Say, damn, this got to be a trick. No, it ain't. You got to come to talking fish.
Ron.
Love you.
I'll see you later, man.
I'll see you later.
Yeah, man. This is Ron, man. He lives in the streets. Good guy, man. He actually committed a crazy crime. He was in jail for 40 years. I always give him some stuff, man. At my grand opening, he was there dancing, making people laugh, always serving and helping, especially me. I don't know about other people. Shoveling snow. That was a grand opening back when I opened this store back in 2015. He was there dancing and shoveling snow and just helping all around, making us laugh. So ever since then, we became semi-close. You know, he got locked up here and there. So episode 1 is called Putting Out Fires because I literally feel like I'm putting out fire. I feel like a firefighter. But little by little, business is starting to grow, and I'm starting to teach employees how to manage and handle things, certain clients, and have certain conversations with them. Because, man, if you're not doing that, you literally feel like a firefighter. Like you're always just putting out fires for every single little thing. So episode 1, this is the series. It's going to be called Putting Out Fires. Episode 1 is called Learning How to Grow a Business. Because this is what we're doing, man. We're in a business. Talking Fixed Wireless. We're at 5 stores right now. Looking to expand. We're looking to levels, and hopefully we can do that in the next couple of years. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted. You guys are gonna be able to learn and grow from me. I'm gonna put out everything. I'm gonna be very, very transparent in terms of everything that goes on in business and what we do, how we do it there. So hopefully you guys enjoy this and just have fun with it.